Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw TRX from Robinhood to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Robinhood and want to move it to Exmo for better trading options or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with TRX in it and an Exmo account set up. You'll need to verify your Exmo wallet address, as that's where your TRX will land. Also, keep in mind that withdrawal fees and network times can vary, so check Robinhood's current rates and ensure you're using the Tron network for this transfer. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the Crypto section in your portfolio. Once there, find your TRX holdings and select the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually a button or drop-down menu, easy to spot. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Choose TRX from the asset list, then input your Exmo wallet address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your TRX into the void. Make sure to select the Tron TRX network if it's an option, as that's the correct blockchain for this coin. Step 3. Review the transaction summary. This will show you the amount you're withdrawing, any fees involved, and the estimated time for completion. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your Robinhood security measures, like a PIN or two-factor authentication. After that, sit tight. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Exmo account to confirm the TRX has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Robinhood to Exmo in 2025. Remember, stay safe in the crypto world by using hardware wallets for long-term storage and keeping an eye on market fees. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.